high-vis count. Your mothers have disappeared.
There's the unstoppable sex machine. It's turnout day number 2. This time we're taking cows and calves out. And look at this, we've got blue sky and it is still chucking down with rain. This year is just trying. It's a trying year. What we're going to do is we're going to stick the calves in the small box on the truck, cows in the big box, take out a whole heap at one time. The guys are just in there sorting some out, so I'll go and give them a hand. Come on cows, time to go! Nope, you've gone the wrong way. Oh!
Oh, that's brilliant.
Calves are looking really well, aren't they? This is my tame pet calf, Greg.
Is it?
She's called Moudini.
Oh, it's the one that keeps getting out?
Yeah. She just follows anyone in orange.
Well, if you get out and then stay out.
Yeah. Alright. Come to say hello. Hello! No, you're going to miss me. You won't see me every morning. I know, I know.
Your pedal.
You have to assemble him.
I had one, but I've lost it.
I've got all the bits.
I don't want it now.
Oh,
I just
right.
wondered if you did have one.
Came in kit.
I gave LeGrice a good pen yesterday.
Right off on here.
Ah, should we ought to be blipping them as we're moving them?
Yeah, can do.
There's usually
That
about
makes sense.
6,000 in the truck.
Yeah.
Oh, I got about 14 in the tractor as well.
Yeah.
Shall I go and get a stick?
If you get the stick, it'll be ideal.
Right, I've just been and acquired one of our true test sticks. So what we're going to do is we'll blip everything off the holding here, and then we can move them easily then on AgriWeb as a session. So we'll do that as they go through the crush. We need to check and see if they've got any buds, see if they need dehorning. There shouldn't be any, but there are always a couple. Got a nice dirty box to run them into. Cattle hate going into a clean box. So we were moving cattle yesterday. We're moving cattle again today. There's no point cleaning it. We're only taking them on our own ground. So what we're doing is we're sorting cattle out into groups that they'll go to the bull with. So these will go to a bull called Vanda. These are a bull called Varta. And then we'll take them to plots of ground depending on where the bull's going to go. It's like organised chaos. Exactly like it. Right, we've got the first ones in the race. Just need to check the calves for horns, if they've got buds. We'll do that as they come through. John's actually gone to get some spot on, so we're going to spot them as they come through, which is for like lice and flies and stuff. So they're done as they go out, and then we can get moving. So I'm going to take the cows in the big box. John and Craig are going to come in the little box. Very noisy cows. That's the plan. We've got AgriWeb set up here so we can spot on them, record them where they're going all in one session. Which is easy enough. More grass, I think. High vis count. Bit of string is never in the right place, is it?
Sorry?
This bit of string is never in the right.
It's a bloody thing.
I'll just pull forward out of the way. Get out of the way of Craig here, and then we'll see if we can get the drone up in here. We have got some cows here. They've got to go back home, so we'll backload those back probably next time we bring up a load.
And go. Next stop, field. Right, finish that session. It's really easy with this, so we've just spotted all those cows and calves on that session, and then we just move them to our new location, which is Triangle. No, it's not Triangle. Dog's Leg, Dog's Leg, Dog's Leg. They're going Dog's Leg, aren't they?
Yes.
So that's a record created. You're right there, cows. We're going out to the fields. It's all going to be okay. Hop in the old wagon here. Oh, sun's out. This sunshine is blimmin' lovely. If only it would stick around. We're just on our way to some of our furthest away ground from home. It's where the cows and calves will be spending their spring and summer. I did mention it earlier, but what we do is we break the cows up into the groups that they will go to bull with. So we've got 4 stabiliser bulls at home. The youngest one, Yik Yak, that's the new one that we picked up, you'd have seen in the previous video. He is going to stay at the science farm with 30 bulling heifers and also a few cows that we run around that are empty. And then we took the first load of cows that you saw us unload up to a piece of ground where Vanda is going to go, another one of our bulls. The load I've got on now, they're going to go with Varta. He is historically been our best bull, known as the unstoppable sex machine. So then that leaves Wisdom, or Norm as we call him, with another group of cows on another piece of off ground that previously we've always silaged, not actually run cattle there before. But we're going to swap things around. We're going to silage some ground closer to home, bring the cows further away. So that's the current plan. So we've got Vandas and Vartas out today. The heifers are having some eye muscle scanning done at the end of April, so we might keep those in until then and then turn them out after they've been scanned. That was one of John's thoughts he was having. Then on the 1st of May we'll chuck all the bulls out for 8 or 9 weeks. They can do the deed, and then we pull them out and we'll leave them in a couple of paddocks over the summer, and then they are having a brand new facility built to house them, ready for next winter. So that will be something exciting to see on the channel late summer. Here we go. Your mothers have disappeared.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you, I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing.
Are you lost, cow? Run that way.
Yeah, of all of them, you shouldn't be running around so much.
Oh, she needs to put on a bit of condition.
Yeah.
She'll go through the hedge now, won't she?
So there you have it, group number 2 successfully dropped off. I'd just like to hang around for 10 minutes or so. Make sure all the cows and calves match themselves up. All the calves find their mothers, because especially being so close to the dual carriageway here, if they do spook themselves and they can't find their mothers, they run through a hedge or through a fence. It's obviously quite dangerous being next to the road, but they're all perfectly happy. They got their heads down munching away on some grass. It was just that one cow that had got herself isolated from the rest. She's found her way to them now. So we can go home happy, happy. So that's 20 cows and 20 calves outside. I'll have another go tomorrow, get another load out. Soon make a dent in the shed. We need to, that's for sure. Right, that is another day on the farm done. Tractor's all parked up, ready to go again tomorrow. Just gotta walk around and make sure all the machines are locked.
Here's my first job waiting for me tomorrow morning. Sheets falling down the pit. I'll have to clamber on up there and sort that out. Got just under 2 bays of silage left, so hopefully that'll last us.
Apologies guys for the last 2 videos, this one and the one before being fairly similar, but that is just what we're doing on the farm at the moment. I'm trying to get a few videos ahead of myself because me and Phil are away. We're going up to London for a couple of days next week for a technician's campaign evening, and then I'm on my stag do, and then yeah, before you know it, we're getting married. So trying to just get stuff ahead of me so I haven't got to panic about it near the time, but it is what it is. Hopefully you still enjoy the videos. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All my social links are down in the description below. You can go and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all that other good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.